Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley Jade, and for those who are new, welcome. Alright loves, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I wrap my hair up at night. This is what my hair looks like fresh from my third salon visit. This is the front and this is the back. I'm still learning how to wrap my hair up, so this is something totally new for me. Okay, so the tools I use for this process is some bobby pins, my silk scarf, and my oversized stretch slap cap that my honey bunny stretched out. Okay, so to start off, I observed the way and the direction of the curl and the way it's curled, and I'm going to be using a mirror to help me out with this process. So right here, I'm just looking and seeing what direction each curl is curled in. That way when I take it out the pin curl, it's, curled in that same direction. Okay, love, so here's where it gets a little tricky. I'm not a pro at this, but you want to pin the curl up in the same direction the curl is originally curled in. And then you want to hold it in place, and you want to take a bobby pin and just pin it down. I know it may sound a little confusing, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it again. So I take a curl, and I know it's a little hard to see because my fingers are in the way, but I take a curl, and I just curl it with my finger in the direction that the curl was already curled in. Hold it in place with a couple fingers, and I just place the bobby pin in place. And that's it. That's what it looks like. It's not neat, and it doesn't have to be neat as long as the curl is in place. So right here, I'm just going to continue on pin curling my hair. And I don't grab a neat section. I just grab a nice piece of curl, and I just continue the same process and pin curl it down. So this is a better look at how the pin curls are coming out. And like I said, it doesn't have to be neat as long as my curls are placed in the pin curl. Okay, so right here, I'm just looking in the mirror, and since my hair is shorter on the sides, I won't be able to pin curl it, but I'm just looking to see, what direction the curls are going in. So right here, I'm just going to, pin curl the back. It's a little harder because I can't see, but feeling with my fingers, I'm feeling the direction of the curls, and I'm just pin curling it in place. So this is basically what the majority of the pin curls are looking like. I only use like maybe 10 to 15 bobby pins to pin curl my hair. Okay, so next I'm going to be pin curling up the sides of my sideburns. She cut those and left those a little longer. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin, I'm just going to pin that right up. And as far as my sides and the back of my hair, I did not place any bobby pins at the back of my hair or the side since it's very short. But once I wrap it around with my scarf, it tends to stay right in place. And I just primarily just worry about the front and making sure my curls in the front are still, popping. And that's it, all done. Okay, so next I'm going to grab my silk scarf, and I folded it in a long triangular way. And here's the back of my hair. And like I said, I don't pin curl the back. So with my scarf folded, I'm going to wrap it around my head, and I'm going to make sure it's nice and in place because I don't want it to fall off when I'm asleep. And I'm just going to pull tight and make sure it's snug and tie it up in the back. With any excess, I just tuck it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when the silk scarf is in place. Okay, so grabbing my oversized gray silhouette slap cap that my honey bunny stretched out, I'm just going to put this over top for added protection. That way the scarf does not fall off. This slap cap is so done, and I just bought it in the summertime, but I'm telling you guys, he like stretched it out to the max. So right here, I'm just adjusting my slap cap and just making sure it's in place, making sure that, I have the added protection because I usually wake up and my silk scarf is off. So I just want to make sure this helps me keep everything in place and that my hair is protected at night. And all done, you guys. I did it. I wrapped my hair up and I'm ready for bed now. Alright love, so this is the end of my nighttime routine. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join my love squad. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell on the right And thank you, loves, for watching. Until next time, bye, Love Squad.
I'm in control.